I'm Review My RV, and every week we're throwing open the doors to the newest, most jaw-dropping motorhomes before they even hit the dealership lot. If it's fresh, innovative, and rev-ready, we're reviewing it. Let's dive in. Today, I am beyond excited because we're diving into something truly special, the upcoming 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach Motorhome. Now, if you're anything like me, a motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. And trust me, the Liberty Coach is taking that lifestyle to a whole new level. So, let's start with the first thing you notice, the design. The 2026 Liberty Coach has this sleek, commanding presence on the road that just makes heads turn. It's modern without being over the top, and there's this perfect balance between luxury and practicality. The exterior lines are more aerodynamic than past models, which not only looks fantastic but also helps with fuel efficiency, which, let's be honest, is always a plus when you're cruising across the country. The paint options are stunning too. They've really upped their game with some deep metallics and glossy finishes that catch the sun in all the right ways. Step inside, and the first thing that hits you is just how much space there is. Prevost has always been known for maximizing interior comfort, and the 2026 model takes it a notch further. They've expanded the living area, so you get this open, airy feel that almost makes you forget you're inside a motorhome. The furniture is fully customizable, and they've introduced some new layouts that really make the space feel like a luxury apartment on wheels. Plush seating, handcrafted cabinetry, and premium finishes make it feel like a 5-star hotel, only better because you can drive it anywhere. One of the standout upgrades this year is the hybrid engine. Now, I know what you're thinking, hybrid in a massive motorhome? Yes, and it's incredible. The combination of electric and diesel power gives you smoother acceleration and a much quieter ride. No more engine roar while you're enjoying your morning coffee or hosting friends in the lounge. Plus, there's an added environmental benefit, which is a big deal in today's world. It's not just about going green, though, it's about enhancing the overall driving experience. The hybrid system is designed to give you more control, better torque for those steep hills, and improved efficiency, which means fewer stops at the pump, always a win. Speaking of driving, the off-road capabilities of the 2026 Liberty Coach are seriously impressive. Prevost has reinforced the chassis, upgraded the suspension, and added more robust tires. You can tackle winding mountain roads or sandy coastal paths with confidence. It's like having a luxury vehicle that's ready for adventure at any moment. And the handling, surprisingly smooth for something of this size. You feel in command without the constant stress of maneuvering a giant bus down narrow roads. It's reassuring, especially if you're planning extended trips with family or friends. Now, let's talk about the interior tech upgrades. The 2026 Liberty Coach comes with a state-of-the-art infotainment system. We're talking about smart controls for lighting, climate, and entertainment, all accessible via touchscreen or mobile app. Imagine adjusting your cabin temperature from the comfort of your couch or setting the perfect ambient lighting for a movie night. And the audio system, absolute bliss. Crystal clear sound that makes your favorite music or movies come alive. Prevost has really focused on making every inch of the living space comfortable, intuitive, and enjoyable. The kitchen is another area where they've really raised the bar. You get premium appliances, more counter space, and clever storage solutions that make cooking on the road a pleasure rather than a chore. The finishes are top tier, from solid surface countertops to sleek cabinetry. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or hosting a gourmet dinner, it feels effortless. And don't even get me started on the bathroom. The layout is smart, with spa-like features, high-quality fixtures, and clever use of space that keeps everything feeling spacious and luxurious. In terms of sleeping arrangements, the Liberty Coach doesn't disappoint either. Multiple layouts mean you can configure it for family trips, long-term travel, or even hosting guests. The beds are designed for comfort, and the clever storage solutions help keep the space organized so you don't feel cramped. It's the kind of motorhome where you can truly live comfortably for weeks on end without feeling like you're missing anything. Now, let's talk numbers, because I know that's something a lot of you are curious about. Pricing for the 2026 Liberty Coach starts slightly higher than previous models, but when you consider the technology, comfort, and performance upgrades, it feels like a worthy investment. Prevost has clearly aimed for a balance between luxury and value, and I think they've nailed it. Compared to past models, this is not just an upgrade, it's a redefinition of what a motorhome can be. Another subtle but important improvement is the insulation and climate control. Prevost has really focused on making this a year-round vehicle. Whether you're cruising in the summer heat of Arizona or wintering in the snowy peaks of Colorado, the Liberty Coach keeps the interior perfectly comfortable. That's a huge step up from older models, where extreme temperatures could sometimes limit travel comfort. And what about storage? Well, they've added more smart compartments for gear, luggage, and essentials. From underbed drawers to exterior bays, everything has been thought through. Long trips become less stressful because you don't have to compromise on what you bring along. It's the kind of thoughtful design that shows Prevost really listens to its customers. One thing I love about this 2026 model is how it blends luxury with adventure. You don't have to choose between comfort and off-road capability anymore. This is a motorhome that looks stunning parked at a scenic overlook and can take you deep into the wilderness without missing a beat. That versatility is huge for anyone who loves road trips, outdoor activities, or even just spontaneous weekend getaways. As for maintenance and longevity, Prevost has always had a reputation for durability, and the 2026 Liberty Coach continues that legacy. The hybrid powertrain is engineered for reliability, and the new suspension and chassis upgrades mean fewer worries about wear and tear. It's a motorhome designed to handle the long haul, both in terms of miles and time. Overall, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach isn't just a motorhome, it's an experience. Every detail has been refined, every feature thoughtfully considered, and every improvement is aimed at making life on the road more enjoyable. From the luxurious interior and smart technology to the hybrid engine and off-road capabilities, this is a motorhome that genuinely excites me. It's clear that Prevost is setting a new standard for what a luxury coach can be in 2026. So, whether you're a seasoned RV traveler or someone looking to upgrade from a smaller rig, the Liberty Coach is definitely something to get excited about. It combines style, comfort, technology, and adventure in a way that few motorhomes can match. And I can't wait to see these hitting the roads, parked at beautiful campgrounds, or exploring remote destinations. If you're dreaming of a motorhome that lets you travel in absolute luxury without sacrificing performance or versatility, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is worth keeping on your radar. I'll be following up with more detailed walkthroughs, interior tours, and driving impressions as soon as we get a chance to see one in person. Alright, that's it for today, folks. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Liberty Coach. Are you as excited as I am? And if you've ever traveled in a Prevost before, I'd love to hear your experiences too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos on the latest motorhomes hitting the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road. If you love seeing the absolute newest motorhome technology and design, you need to be part of the Review My RV family. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the next big reveal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the open road.